Hello YouTube family, this is FarmHouse of IT. Let's start the video. You don't need to study more. Stop searching for the perfect resource. You don't need another book, tutorial, or ultimate guide. Forget the endless rabbit holes of Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter. Open your terminal and start freaking hacking. The truth is, there's an overwhelming amount of information and opinions online, and most of it is either outdated or useless. If you try to consume everything, you'll drown in theory and never touch real systems. How tragic would that be? The biggest shortcut in hacking is doing the work, constantly applying what you learn, and surrounding yourself with people who know more than you. Stop trying to prepare forever. Go open your PC or laptop, create an account on Try HackMe, start a challenge, and figure things out as you go. Want to get into bug bounties? Great. Go to HackerOne or any other platform and start looking for vulnerabilities in real systems. Don't wait for the perfect moment. I promise you, it doesn't exist, and it will never exist. I learned by breaking things. I didn't understand the difference between exploits and patches until my scripts failed in ways I didn't expect. That's how you truly learn. Not by mastering every tool, but by committing to one and using it until you deeply understand the problems it solves. The best hackers I know aren't walking encyclopedias. They're simply very familiar with their tools and know how to solve problems because they've failed enough times to know what works. They still Google things. They still learn on the job. Their secret? Relentless action and constant iteration. This is exactly why Hack Academy exists, to connect you with other hackers who have already walked the path, give you access to exclusive resources, and help you avoid wasting time on outdated information. And heads up, our community is growing fast and we're adding even more exclusive resources. Because of that, we'll be doubling our pricing soon. Join today while it's still an absolute steal. Can't wait to see you on the inside. So stop looking for new shortcuts. There's no magic trick or fast track. The only real hack is hours of practice, breaking things, and learning from those who are ahead of you. Now go do the work.